Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me and Zizi, who loves this couch. So I'm glad because maybe now she'll join us for more and more videos. Right, Z? You happy? Yeah. And Wyatt, of course, who will be getting jealous here shortly if I keep talking to Zena. So today I have my very first ThredUP unbagging for you, and I have 3 different bags here. So it took forever for all 3 of these bags to finally get here. And several of you had mentioned ThredUP to me. It's a secondhand, pre-owned site where you can actually get a goodie bag sent to you where you have a stylist pick some items for you based on your preferences, or you can just shop their site. And I chose to just shop the site. And one of you had challenged me to see how I could do with some of the high-end brands compared to my Material World box. So I did go through and look at some of the more expensive brands to see how many items I could get for under $100. If you've watched any of my Material World videos, most of those items are still $75 and up. And I know the average of those items is probably originally around $250 and up. So I guess that makes sense. So I did look at some of the more pricey items, and I tried to get as many items as I could for a total of less than $100. So I can't remember, but I think I got 7 items. And I'll go over pricing at the end, but the total of everything was under $100. So let me share what I got, and then we'll do a try on. Sound good? Okay, so first bag here, which looks like the smallest one, and I think was the one that came last and held up this video for so long. I think I did this about 2 weeks ago. Okay, so it says Sealing Deals Since 2009. And this is a dress by Juicy Couture. And I know it's a little bit summery, but I do have one more beach trip left. Check out the back of this. So it has a deep U back with that zipper. So we'll see how this looks on, but I thought it was really pretty. I love the colors in it, and I still thought I could wear this into fall with a jacket. So that's my first item. We'll go over prices at the end. Next up, okay, this, oh, it's all of the little tags stay the same. Here's my next bundle, a little more colorful. Okay, so this is a cherry red, pinkish red. I know red isn't my favorite color, but look at the saying on this sweatshirt, beach days. I loved it. It's super soft terry material, so I had to have this sweatshirt just by the saying alone because I love the beach. And then this dress, and this was by Sundry. So I love that brand. I know it tends to be pricey, so I thought, well, it was a little cheaper, I would grab it. This is by Jambs World. And this still, I did look at a bunch of the items that still had the original tags on it, meaning that people had owned them but probably had never worn them because they still had the tags on them. So I did look at that, and this one does still have the original tags on it. I don't think these 2 items did. I don't see them. But I know several of the items that I picked up do still have the original tags, and this is one of them. This is a dress by Jambs World in these pretty aqua colors. And I know this is a very summery dress, but I was thinking about taking this on my last beach trip for this year. So we shall see what that looks like. And last in this bundle is a skirt by Free People. Sure. Yep, Free People in this little Aztec-y print And this is a thicker material, so I thought this would be nice going into fall. It's also very stretchy, and it's in, what, navies and browns and greens. So we shall see what that looks like. Okay, last bag, which was already ripped open by my mailman, who apologized and said he wasn't snooping. And this is by Splendid, and it's a thin sweater, which I thought would be cute transitioning with that asymmetrical look to it, in blue and aqua. And last is a pair of Hudson jeans that are the ankle Krista. And they have the raw hem. Very raw here. Okay, so let's try these items on. Okay, so here is this first Juicy Couture dress, which I really love the front of this dress. I think it is so pretty. I just put on a pair of pink slides with it to put it on, but I really do love the front of this dress. I'm not so sure about the back of it. I think the zipper makes it look a little bit lumpy, so I will show you the back of it. So I'm not sure that it's going to lay nicely going over my derriere here on a regular basis without me yanking it down, which is a shame. Yeah, see, it just looks lumpy, and that's all this zipper is, just lumping up with every time I move. So I think that this is going to be a bit of a pain. All right, let's try on the other dress. Okay, here is the other dress, and I just love this dress. I think it is so adorable. I just put on a pair of silver sandals with it. I just love it. It has a double V front and back, and this pattern is so pretty with the blues and the turquoise and the white. Yeah. Okay, I love this one. Okay, next. Okay, so here is the Beach Days sweatshirt and the Hudson jeans, which these have a lot of nice stretch in them, but they are a lower rise. And I like a mid-rise, that's my favorite. But they're not bad. They fit nicely. Yeah, they fit well. I don't have any complaints. This sweatshirt I expected to be longer based on the description, so it's shorter than I thought, which I guess is okay, because I really like the saying, that's why I bought it. It is very soft. I did find a snag in it, which I had to fix before I put it on, but it's a little bit longer in the back, it seems. But it's cute. Okay, next. Okay, this is the other top, and it is very cute, and I actually really like it. However, I already had it on for you before. I saw that it does have a, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it has a dirty spot. So, yucky. Which is unfortunate because I actually think this is a really cute top. Alright, so I want to take it off and we'll get to the next. Okay, and here's the last item, which is this Free People skirt, which is very comfortable. The length is awesome, and I like the colors of this going into fall. It has the camels and the bright green and the olive green and even brown and navy, but yet it pops it with this lime green and the Kelly green. Even has some dark red in it. So these are, I think, great colors going into fall. So I just put it on with a tank top I got from Kohl's in the olive green, and then this Liverpool jacket that I love that is a very dark blue, and I put on a pair of camel colored shoes because I thought this would be a great fall outfit. There are no pockets in this skirt, but it has some pleating here, and it is very comfortable. It even has some mauve in it and some light pink, so I can even wear my pink sandals here while the weather stays nice, I think. So I like this skirt. I think it's cute. Okay, I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so that was my ThredUP try on. What did you think? So let's run through the pricing. The Juicy Couture dress I tried on first, which I really liked, but that zipper in the back is just gonna make me look lumpy and bumpy, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to return this one. It was originally $88. I got it for $16.99. So that's a no. Let's see. Next up was the second dress. This was the Jambs World Casual dress. It was $60. I paid $20.99 for it. I love this dress. I think it's so cute. I love the colors, and I thought it was pretty on, and I'm going to take it on my beach trip coming up in October. So I liked it. What did you guys think? Did I miss something? Because I thought this was really pretty. Okay, the Free People skirt. I really like this one too. I think going into fall, this is a really cute skirt, super comfortable. I could wear it to work or casual. Let me know if you guys didn't like this on, because I thought this was cute. The Sundry Sweatshirt, the sweatshirt, which was this one. Oh, and that Free People skirt was originally $88, and I paid $11.99 for it. The Sundry Sweatshirt was $143 retail. I paid $31.99. And this was much shorter than I expected. I think the saying is cute. I'm a little upset that it had the snag in it, so I'm not sure now. But I really like the saying, so now I'm not so sure. Especially because I still paid $32 for it, which is a lot, right? So this one's a maybe. I'm not sure. Then the Splendid pullover has that stain on it. It's like crusty spot, which I'm sending them a note because I thought they cleaned everything, right? If you're gonna resell, can you see that? If you're gonna resell clothing, shouldn't everything go through a cleaning process? That would have been my expectation. So it's unfortunate because I actually liked this, but right now it's obviously going to be a return because I shouldn't have to clean it and make sure that it's, that it's in good condition. Decide whether or not to return or not. It was originally $84 and my price was $18.99. And last up are the Hudson Jeans. They were $190. I paid $32.99 for them. So I thought these were nice. They were nice and stretchy, comfy with the raw hem, and not a bad price for Hudson Jeans. So I have to decide if I need them or not. So everything would have been $133.94 on the ThredUP pricing for my very first haul here because it was the first time I purchased from them. I did get an extra 30% off, which was another $40.18. So everything was $93.76. And I got 6 items, right? Yep, 6 items for $93.76. Retail, all of this would have been about what? $700. So, understandably, this is all pre-owned. So, compared to Material World, I do think the pricing on ThredUP seems to be a little cheaper. I didn't get anything that was super high-end because I didn't see anything on there that I had really liked, but I do think that the pricing was pretty good, especially because I got that extra 30% off. Now, I do have to say for Material World, you are having someone style you, so obviously that has to reflect a little bit in the pricing. But I did like ThredUP. I thought there was a lot of great choices in there. It was a lot. They had a lot of stuff out there to go through. And I was happy with my selections. I think I got, between the skirt and the dress, I'm super happy with these two items. So I'm glad I got this haul. I'm definitely keeping those. I'm going to decide on the jeans. And I think that's probably all I'm going to keep. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider giving me a thumbs up. I so appreciate it. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show my channel some support and help it grow. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I hope everyone's having an awesome week, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Until next time, bye from the puppies too, who are exhausted. Bye, everybody.